Hi guys, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to Clark. I hope all of you are well, and in today's video we are going to be talking about 5 things I wish I knew before joining law school. So, as most of you might know, I am from NLIU Bhopal. I have done my BLLB from NLIU Bhopal from 2014 till 2019, and then I did my masters from GNLU Gujarat. So there are certain tips that I would want to tell the students before joining a law school. Now, the first thing is, law school is very much different from your school. So we have to understand that now we are entering a professional setup. You are going to be working for the next 5 years towards your profession, which is law. Whether you do something in the legal field or not later is a question that could be considered later in life, but right now you are working towards building up your career, and this is your first step. So this is not like your typical school that you just have to go to classes, give your exams, and alright, you'll be transferred to the next year. Make sure that the next 5 years of your law school are more or less planned in such a manner that you are working towards your profession. Law school requires extensive reading. For example, a lot of case laws would be required for you to read. A lot of research you would have to do for certain moot courts you are participating in, or different kinds of competitions that you'd like to participate in. Law school requires a lot of reading. Newspaper reading to keep up yourself with the current scenario in the country, internationally. Apart from that, case laws. For your exams, you would have to read a lot of sections, laws, cases, and everything. So this is something that you need to understand, that law school is going to be different from school, but that does not mean that when you enter something new, you forget why you are there. This happens with a lot of students, that once they enter a law school, they feel that now they are free. Now they would actually enjoy freedom and keep everything aside. Never forget the part that this place that you have entered is for you to make a career and you to do something good professionally. So keep a balance and make sure that throughout your law school, you are also doing things that are essential for your career, building a good CV, participating in co-curricular activities, and also having a good time throughout those 5 years. Coming to the second point. The second point I wish I knew before joining a law school would be networking. Networking plays a huge role in gathering opportunities throughout law school. So the legal fraternity consists of a very close-knit group. If your networking is strong, you can apply to companies, to firms for internships and different kinds of opportunities. Also, it helps in building your CV. For example, if any moot court comes up or any competition comes up and you have a good network, you have gelled with your peers, with your seniors in college, they can help you to ace those co-curricular activities. They can help you through those examinations. They can help you build up a good CV. What does one require? They can help you with respect to internships as well. If, for example, you know someone from your college who has bagged a good job in their 5th year, you can talk to them what you could do to also get a good opportunity coming up in the next year of your law school. So networking plays a huge role. It also helps you to understand what kind of career you want to build for yourself. For example, if you talk to someone from the corporate sector, you might understand whether you wish to go for it or not. For example, if you talk to someone from the litigation side, you might understand what are the nuances in joining litigation. And that way, you would also be building opportunities for yourself. Now, third and very, very important, very, very basic point, but something that we tend to forget throughout our law school is building a good CV. Now, what is CV basically? It is a parchment of paper which tells the other person as to what you have done throughout your law school. Like, for example, in your 5th year, when placements are happening, you have to submit your CV to the organization for them to understand what you have done for the past 5 years. What were your grades? Did you participate in any co-curricular activities? Did you sit for internships? Did you do internships? How many internships have you done? What was your score throughout your 5 years? Were you doing good in first year, second year? So to know you and to know your journey, a CV is important, and building up that CV is important. So as I also mentioned in the first point, once you join a law school, it happens that we forget why we are here. We indulge in more fun activities like going out with our friends and not studying enough, which kind of hampers our CV in the first 2 years and then takes a toll onto us to bring it back to an average point. So make sure from the first year itself, you are participating in different co-curricular activities, building up a good CV by getting good grades, and with that, you can also enjoy life with your friends. Fourth point is related to the third point in a manner. So the fourth point is going to be building a professional and personal life together throughout the 5 years of law school. Obviously, we cannot ignore the fact that once we join law school, we will find new friends, we will find new connections, and that should not be our sole focus. Similarly, we will get to study new things, we will try to build our career, and that also should not be our sole focus. Our focus has to be a balance between our friends, between our studies, and between our co-curricular activities. So for example, if in your law school there are 2 semesters, you could pick one semester in which you would be doing a lot of moot courts, research paper publication, client counseling competitions, debating competitions, or attending different kinds of activities throughout different law schools. So that would build your CV in the co-curricular department. In the next semester, you can focus more on the examinations, focus on getting better grades than the last time. So that would help in your cumulative score. And apart from that, maybe in a month you can go out with your friends twice, thrice, or 4 times. Like on the weekends, you can go to the city, explore the city, go out for dinner, and have a good time with your friends. So this way, a balance would also be there. You would be doing good professionally. You would be doing good personally as well. Because obviously, you have to spend 5 years at that particular place. So it is important that you do have good friends who can uplift you, who can make your life better and not difficult. So make sure you choose your friends wisely. You put in your time in your professional life as well as your personal life, and keep a balance between both of them. The last but not the least point that I wish to discuss, that I wish I knew before joining law school, is going to be that nothing gets figured out instantly. In the first year of my law school, I had different plans. Honestly, in the first year, I thought I am going to be a corporate lawyer and I'm going to make crores of money and I am going to go to office and I'm going to be a corporate lawyer and do something in the corporate field. Throughout my law school, I realized that no, I would want to do something else. Then maybe I thought I would go for litigation. In the second, third year, I thought I'm going to do that. But then again, I did not go into litigation as well. So it is not like that you instantly get to know in the first, second, third, fourth year itself. Sometimes I thought maybe I'd join the judiciary field. But you never really know what you actually want until you are in it. And therefore, internships are important. You intern in a corporate firm, you intern in litigation, you intern in NGOs, you intern in different types of companies, a banking field, so that you realize what is your actual interest. You can try the elimination method. For example, when I interned in the corporate world, I realized I don't want to do this and I want to do something else. So I eliminated my options which I did not want to do, and now I'm doing what I love the most, which is teaching you all. So please do not fret, do not worry that I have not figured something out. You will eventually definitely figure it out. Until you have the will, make sure you build up your CV and then life gets figured out with time. So these are the 5 things I wish I knew before joining law school. If any of you are preparing for law school entrance examinations, MHCET, CLAT 2026 or any other law school entrance exams, CUET, you can join our courses and come to the classes. You can watch the demo classes that are available on the website 12minutes2clat.com. We also have an app that you can download from the Play Store or the App Store, and you can use code CRITIB for additional discount on the batches. There are demo classes available as well, so you can see them and make an informed choice whether you want to join us or not. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this session was extremely helpful for you all, and I hope to see you in the next class. Take care and bye-bye.